Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Dermaliss Face Cleanser. Dermaliss Face Cleanser is a wonderful face wash and toner that exfoliates and cleanses the skin. It helps to get rid of dirt, impurities and excess oil. It deeply uproots pigment irregularities from your face. What we love the most about Dermaliss Face Cleanser is how it is able to bring out dirt from your skin, no matter how much you wash your face with soap. It sucks the oil and dries them off in no time. This cleanser will surprise you as it works like magic. It makes your skin very squeaky clean. If you have dead skin cells on your face, get ready for massive peeling, because Dermaliss will exfoliate your face with reckless abandon. Your facial skin will first of all peel and then it will become fresh, smooth and clear afterwards. Ebony and caramel skin people should use it to get rid of their acne, and then keep it aside for rainy days when another batch of pimples may appear. This cleanser is not for long-term use. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.